What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So these two kits got the exact same supplies, except one was on a bicycle wheel and one was on a grapevine. So I'm going to go ahead and make both of these bows. All right. So let's make ourselves a 12-inch tail. Bring that tail down. Make ourselves a good 7-inch loop. Mine turned out to be 8 inches. Cut my 8-inch tail at the top. All right. All right, so our loops just got a little bit smaller every time. Just one loop. All right, take our pipe cleaner. Slide it up. Give it a good tight pinch. And then give it a twist. All right, there's our other bow. All right, so I'm going to find my grapevine. I'm going to find the ugly piece of it, which is this little skinny piece right here. And we're going to add our bow to it. All right. We're just going for large bow, simple look. Now we're going to take our pieces here and cut them down. Right, so we've got our 3 large white wispies. All right, let's get these added in here. So y'all, these are pretty long. So I'm gonna add some underneath right into the grapevine. Y'all, so these types of projects are the ones where you can knock out a ton of wreaths in a single day. Right? Because all we're doing is making bows and decorating them a little bit. All right, these two I'm going to cut into smaller pieces. So y'all, on this bow, we added some of the wispies all the way down to the base. And then we added some midway. All right, let's trim our tails up just a little bit. All right, so y'all, we also have this All right, so I'm just cutting this piece up into smaller pieces. All right, let's glue some of this silver in here just to give it a little bit of a pop. Look how pretty that is. All right, so I'm adding these silver ones towards the back, right into the grapevine, so that you just kind of see the little silver leaves popping in every once in a while. All right, so I put a few pieces on the back to accent it. And now I'm gonna add one small piece right here in the very front center to bring that silver to the top. Look how pretty that is whenever you bring in the pieces in the very back and then center it with one right up front. All right, I think this one's done. It's just a giant bow right on this little grapevine. I like the way that it kind of contrasts from the glitz back down to the natural look.